exactly the way you want it.
All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and open up some mail from one of my subscribers. We actually talk a little bit through Instagram, so I've been waiting on this package for a while. And if anybody would like to send any mail in, this is the address: P.O. Box 900, Ashford, Alabama 36312. Very, very cool. These are the headlights. These are the LEDs that we have been all running in our cars. I'll put a link to a video right here where I installed these headlights. They've been selling like hotcakes on Amazon, and I think he picked up a couple of them during this sale that Amazon had. It also looks like we have 2 LMR gift cards. I don't know how much is on them. I'll tell you what, guys, see what we got here. So it looks like these are 2 $50 gift cards. Zach, thank you so much for sending this. I can't believe you did that. That is awesome, buddy. I will put your information down below and your Instagram. We have 2 gift cards to give away, and we have some headlights to give away. You didn't have to do that, and nobody does, but that's really cool nonetheless. And these are the LED bulbs. These will fit in your Fox body. Now, I must say there's a little bit of a trick to these. So, I really need to do an updated video on how to install these, but I will go ahead and show you one thing real quick, like while we have them right here. On these rings, they have to come off. These rings have to come off, and then you slide your outer locking ring over this, and then you put this back on. Okay, guys? I know there has been some confusion in that lately, but that's how you get these on. You can't just try to slide them on front or backside. They're not going to work that way. I'm pumped about this. This is really cool. You know what, guys? We have some really, really awesome subscribers. Thank y'all so much for everything that you do. So I'll tell you what, guys. We'll go ahead. We'll give one of these away right now, and the other one will be given away on Instagram. How about that? Right in time for Christmas, guys. Put in the comment section below, "Show me the money," in all caps. And what we'll do is I'll come back in 24 hours and I'll just pick someone randomly out of it. We're not going to do a generator. We're not going to do anything like that. Just going to pick a name out and you will get this. Follow me over on Instagram if you would like to know how to win this. We'll do this giveaway the same day that we do this giveaway. Remember, guys, one here on YouTube right now. All you have to do down below is put "Show me the money" in capital letters, and I will pick a lucky winner the next day. Thank you guys so much for everything that you have done throughout this year. It's been an awesome year for the channel, and I just want to thank you guys so much for everything that you do. Also, make sure that you include some way that I can get up with you, whether it be an email address, an Instagram, something along those lines. All right, guys, I have made my mind up. It is too close to Christmas to not give you guys a chance to win these. So, if you would like to win the headlights in this video, comment below, "Let there be light," for a chance to win these. Like I said, what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep this super simple. You know I'm not gonna choose favorites. I'm just gonna go down, randomly just choose somebody. You will win either this or the gift card, and no, you cannot win both, obviously. So that's how we're gonna do it, guys. That's gonna be really awesome for one of our Mustang subscribers. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope everyone has a lovely Christmas and a happy New Year. So maybe this helps you out some. If you're trying to comment after Saturday, then it's already done. It's already done, guys. I will contact you. Please make sure that you put your email address or Instagram, some way I can get up with you to let you know that you have won, so that I can get your mailing address from you. Now, on these gift cards, there's a couple different ways we can do it. You don't have to physically have the card in hand. So if you don't want me to send you the card and you just want the card information off of it, then that's fine. We can do that too. Either way, I hope you guys enjoy this. And once again, thanks for watching.